is not just about bouncing back from crisis. It can be the opportunity to re-energise your strengths, to reflect with direction, and to spring forward to success. And it's not that those who seem to face adversity with ease are simply better or luckier or richer, but rather they work hard to become versatile. They learn from experience, and they are smart with where and to whom they expend their efforts. As a psychologist, business author and coach, The Leader's Guide to Resilience gives you my tried and tested practical toolkit to survive through hardship, rebuild though exhausted, and thrive beyond ordinary. Are you ready to grow?